Breasts have always been one of the most attractive features of a woman's body. These special assets are appreciated not just by the men but also by women. Beautiful breasts are something every woman would love to have. A top with deep neck or a dress looks better when you have beautiful breasts. Your breasts undergo several changes from youth to adulthood that affects its appearance. So, if you want to flaunt that perfect cleavage and keep your breasts looking, here are some of the tips and tricks. Wear a bra that fits properly. Getting the size of your bra right is essential for the health of your breasts. Wearing wrong one will make them look awkward. Your bra should support your breasts to avoid starving of breasts. It is recommended to take off your bra while sleeping as it will allow your breast to breathe and stay healthy. If you are at home, wear a soft bra or sports bra to avoid droopy breasts. Moisturize. Your breasts need attention too. Pamper it. After taking a shower, apply moisture on your breasts and massage it. This will keep them soft and glowing. You can use jojoba oil or avocado oil for the massage. These oils are rich in vitamins and it hydrates the skin deeply. A splash of cold water. We normally take shower in lukewarm water but end your shower by splashing cold water on your breasts. This practice will tighten the tissues of your breasts. The cold water splash will stimulate circulation of blood and enhance cellular exchange. Spray the water gently in a circular motion. Sleep on your back. Avoid sleeping on your stomach as may lead to the development of wrinkles on them. Instead, sleep on your back as much as possible. Watch your diet. Your diet is one of the most important factors in maintaining the health of your breasts. It will help you to maintain a healthy body weight. Frequent fluctuations in your body weight will leave your breasts looking saggy. Apply sunscreen. You must apply sunscreen to all the exposed parts of your body and that includes your cleavage if you are wearing a low-cut dress or top. So, before getting out in the sun, apply a sunscreen over the cleavage portion to protect it from the harmful sun rays and from suntan. Your cleavage skin will look healthier and fairer once you start this practice. Exercise for the sake of your breasts. There are several exercises for the breasts. So the exercises you could do for your breasts include pull-ups and push-ups among others. These exercises will make your breasts look gorgeous and delay sagging. Keep your back straight. Posture is another factor that makes a whole lot of difference in your appearance and the shape of your breasts. So, when you are standing or sitting, keep your back straight and be proud of your assets. Push-up bras. Push-up bras will give your breasts a boost. A perfect fit push-up bra can do wonder to your breasts and your appearance. Even when you are not wearing something that exposes your cleavage, a push-up bra make you look amazing. It will support your breasts from all angles and keep it firm and upright. Use bronzer. Apply some shimmery bronzer on your cleavage area if you are wearing a revealing dress. You will look like a diva with beautiful cleavage. You can also use contouring tricks to make your breasts look bigger.